Hello and welcome to my channel, Mostly Florals. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create this simple yet cute donut bite animation in Procreate. First, I have my canvas ready. For today's animation, I've selected the screen size canvas. I'll be using the monoline brush to draw the donut illustration here. Now, I select my first color for the donut and draw a circle. When the editing options pop up at the top, I select circle. This gives a nice, neat circle perfect for the donut. Now I'll draw a smaller circle in the center of the larger one, like this. Then I'll just drag and drop the color to fill the inside. On a new layer, I'll tap to set it as a clipping mask. Using a pink shade, I'll add some glaze on top of the donut. Now, I'll open layer 3 and merge layers 1 and 2 to reduce the number of layers. Make sure to keep layer 3 set as a clipping mask. Using a darker pink shade, I'll add more glaze like this. Now using white and then brown, I'm going to add some drizzle on top of the donut like this. Reducing the brush size, I'm going to select a few different colors to add some sprinkles on top. Now, after merging the layers and keeping everything on layer 1, I'll tap the wrench icon, select Canvas, and enable Animation Assist. This automatically brings up a bar at the bottom of the screen. Now, I go back to the layers, click on layer 1, and then select Copy. Then in the bar, I select Add Frame. I swipe 3 fingers on screen and tap Paste. Making sure I'm on the second frame, I tap on the erase icon, select the dry ink brush, and erase small sections of the donut to create bite marks. Now I copy frame 2 and paste it to create a third frame. I continue adding more bite marks, but this time I'll also add some crumbs like this on the same layer or frame. I continue this process until I reach frame 7. The entire donut has now been eaten. On frame 7, I clear off the crumbs as well, leaving it blank. We're almost done with our animation. Now I tap on Settings, set the frames per second to 5, and select one shot. Here's the final animation. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Happy creating!